Hello guys, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Craft Ideas with Mumu. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a cute stationery holder with clay. So hope you like my video. So let's get start our video. At first, take a tissue roll. So then mark in every 1 centimeter, 1 inches. Then join them together using a pen or pencil as you wish. In this way I'm doing. Now cut the small part in this way. So you can see how I'm doing it. So then it is a perfect size for a pen holder. So now take a piece of cardboard and keep the tissue roll on the cardboard and uh, draw a circle using the side of the tissue roll. Now cut it out and then using a glue stick this cardboard with the tissue. I've used here Fevicol glue. This is very strong glue. I think it will stick nicely. Now I'm taking yellow color clay. To make this pen holder, I'll use different colors. You can use only one color as I don't have the same color much, so I use different colors, but you can use only one color. I think if you use one color, this yellow color is best. Also a light pink color is available in the gray packet. This one will also look good. I will make some cute duckies here. So now using the clay I'm doing it, I've used a hard paper to do it. This is actually uh, the hard paper which is given inside the quilling papers. So now I am making some small parts using the clay. I have used the tool to cut them. So now in this way you have to make some balls and then just press it, then it will came in this shape. You have to do all of them in the same process. So you can see I'm showing you how to do it. So now take orange clay to make the lips of the duck. Now again I'm cutting them using the knife in small parts. Now in this way make a oval shape little piece and stick it with the duck's face. I mean yellow color clay. In this way you have to do all of them. You can see that it's very simple and easy process. So now using the knife, press a little bit in this way so that the shape of the lid comes out. So you have to do in this way all the things. Now draw the eyes. You can draw the eyes in different position, but I have done all of them in the same process. Now I am making it with pink color. I have made many colors like red, orange, dark. We get three types of pink color in the uh, super clay package. So I have made with all of them. Then I've made some purple colors one too. So after finishing them, stick all of them together. So at first I have made only this, then I made some more ducks here. Here you can see this looks very cute and unique. You can give it to anyone as you wish. So you can see I have made different colors of ducks here. You can choose any color you wish. You can choose one or two colors. If you choose two colors, then I think light pink and yellow will be the best. If you choose one color, then yellow or only pink will be the best. But if you like any other colors like red, orange, then it will be also okay. For the red that I've made, the leaf with orange color, so you can see it's done. So we are already at the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed my video. If you enjoyed my video, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. Bye.